guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Ariana Grande's new perfume, and if you want to see that, continue watching. So this is a new perfume. I got the dual pack and I think it was like $90 in total. I got this one from Ulta, so it comes with both of them. I don't think it's like the big version of it, I just think it's like a smaller version of the two, but I didn't really know how it smelled like, so I was like, okay, let me order it. It's better like that. 90 for both or 60 something for each. I'm gonna do 90 both, and if I really like it, then I go get the bigger version later on. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So far the box is like this and the back is like that, and they're not huge but they're not so small either. They're like a medium size. So this is the Mod Blush and this is the Mod Vanilla. So this one is 1.0 fluid ounce and this one is also 1.0 fluid ounce. Both of them are 30 ml. So this is the side. This is how it looks like. So yeah, they look like this. Look how pretty. Okay, because I was like, the bigger ones have her name. Her name is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And in this one, it's over here, right there. So Mod Vanilla, Mod Blush. So we're gonna review them both today. So yeah. Mod Blush. It says the top notes are pink pepper, bergamot, passion fruit, raspberry. The middle notes are rose magnolia, pear, and the base notes are dreamwood, sandalwood, musk, and abromox. Whatever the heck abromox is. Alright, let's see what it smells like. Oh, it looks so weird. Look. So weird but cool. Okay, it's like really fruity. It's like a very elegant fruity smell. It's giving me kind of like Britney Spears perfume. I don't know if you guys had that one. It was like blue and it had a little pump. I would consider it like a little bit more elegant than the Thank You Next perfume, because the Thank You Next is a little bit more sweet. This one has like a little bit of a bitter elegantness to it. I don't know how to explain it correctly, but yeah, this one smells like it will last longer on your skin. It smells very similar to Thank You Next and also like the Britney Spears perfume. It smells like the more sophisticated version of the Thank You Next. Do I smell pink pepper? No. I do smell the passion fruit and the raspberry. Yeah, passion fruit and raspberry are very prominent here. But it has that also that elegant perfume smell. Like me, 2 sprays and it smells very strong on you. So 2 sprays was enough. So it was this one. It's not bad. I don't mind it. It's not bad. If I like it more than Thank You Next, no. I like Thank You Next way better. It smells softer. This one doesn't smell as soft. It smells a little bit more like boom bam in your face. It's not like, ooh, it's a nice soft smell. It's not soft. This one is more like a little bit harsher than that one. So I do prefer the Thank You Next. I do prefer the Thank You Next over this one, but it doesn't smell bad at all. This one I was super excited about because I love vanilla smells. Even the one that they sell in like CVS, like the vanilla perfumes or body spray or whatever, it smells super good. So I'm hoping it smells like cake. So it's like this. And the notes, let me read them for you. The top notes are pink fresca and plum. The middle notes are Paroline and Orris roots, and the base notes are vanilla and coconut. I'm looking forward for the vanilla and coconut, so I hope it smells a lot like vanilla and coconut. Okay, I smell nothing yet. Let me spray it in a different part of my arm. Okay, it's not bad. Is it what I expected? No. I do think, oh, this is sucky. I sound mean. The one from the pharmacies and stuff like that smell better, but this one doesn't smell bad, but I really don't smell much at all. If you catch my drift. Like, I was expecting a very like prominent vanilla smell or very prominent coconut smell because it says Mod Vanilla, so I'm expecting to walk around smelling like vanilla cake. but it's like a very soft vanilla. Like it's not in your face vanilla, and I kind of am okay with it. I'm not in love with it. And to be truthfully honest, I love the packaging more than I love the smells. Probably later on they'll grow on me, but I will prefer Thank You Next instead of this one. And I prefer the vanilla from the pharmacy over this one. I'll try to pull up a picture so you guys can see which vanilla from the pharmacy that I keep mentioning. You like, what pharmacy? Tell me, girl. I will post the picture. That one smells like cake, and I want like vanilla cake. And if I buy vanilla, I want to smell like vanilla cake. But this one, they both don't smell bad, but I'm comparing it to other things. That's why it's like not the greatest for me. But in all reality, they don't smell bad. If you don't have a vanilla perfume and you don't have like Thank You Next, get these, you will like them. But if you have Thank You Next, you don't have to get this, because you will like that one more than this one. And the vanilla doesn't smell so much like vanilla. It's like a hint of vanilla. I hope I helped, because it sucks because like I like Ariana Grande so much, and I love the packaging, and I loved all the brand that they like, the cover and everything that they created for this. But I'm just not in love with the smells, because I was expecting something way more, because all our other smells smell so great, and this one was kind of like a wah for me. But yeah, but the packaging looks super cute. They're okay, they're not the greatest, but yeah. So if you like videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember guys, soar like a butterfly.